Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about swing trading, but more importantly, like how to swing trade, entries, exits, risk management systems, and honestly, my full approach. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. We teach you how to build your strategy, how to build your checklist. So check it out down below. You won't regret it. And you guys can get 50% off by using code TRADER. So use that code, sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And let's have a quick word from our sponsor of today's video, which is the broker that I've been using for the past 7 years. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Yeah, so if you guys want to sign up, there's a link down below to Moomoo. You guys can get up to like 60 free stock just by signing up. So click that link, sign up. You won't regret it. And now let's jump into this here. So because with trading and swing trading, I just want to say there's millions of different setups and strategies. But for me, I love the expression miss. Make it simple, stupid. I'm not the type of trader that's going to have 30 charts up, that's going to have monitors and scanners, and I'm going to be just super like overwhelmed, right? I'm going to look at one chart. I'm going to have a basic scanner that I understand, and that's what we focus on. So let's talk about the position here that we're in on, and we're already up about 250 bucks today, which is really good. So the stock here is OGS. Now, looking at this here, this is what we call a trend line breakout. So the first thing I look at is the trend. So you guys can see it's gone from lows here at about $59, and we've hit highs at about $81 in the past year. So it has that good upward trend, which we look at. The next thing here that we look at is going to be support. So a support in a stock is just where we get natural tendencies of getting buying pressure. It could be at a trend line, moving average line. It's just some sort of zone of recent buying pressure. You guys can see this yellow line right here where it hits it, and you guys will notice that it just has a bunch of support, right? It hits it once, we have buying pressure, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8, 9. So obviously looking at this stock, you go, well, Carter, it makes sense just to buy it on the trend, right? And that's what we really look for. So is those basic support plays. Another indicator we use is going to be called the RSI. This stands for the Relative Strength Index. In simple terms, this just tracks momentum. It helps you with your entries and your exit. So you guys can see that right here, it was trading for near and around about a 36, which the last time it was trading for a 36 was back in this range where we saw huge buying pressure. So we knew we could get some more buying pressure out of this play. But the last thing you want to do is enter on this trend line and see sell off, right? And see this thing just sell off down and down and down. So one of the things that I personally do is I want to look at several different time frames. So I'll look at the daily, which we're looking at, and then I'll look at the hourly. Looking at the hourly, in my opinion, is very important here to establish entries and exits here, because you can really look at it a little better. You also can remove the pre-market and after hours just to make it a little easier to see here. So if we remove that, you guys can see it a little better there. So you guys can see that this stock here, let's go ahead and draw this out, really just had this general downward trend, right? Where it would hit that red line and we just got a lot of sell off. So it hits it, we have sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. We have more sell off in here. If we can, yeah, more sell off in here. So what we did is we just put an alert above that. What we were focusing and really trying to plan out was a strategy called a trend line breakout. This is where a stock breaks out, so pushes up above previous resistance in a downward trend. So a short-term downward trend on the hourly, but a long-term upward trend on the daily. So after that, here you guys can see it popped up. This was our entry point near and around the 7280 88 area, right in that range. And my thought process was very simple. Entering there, keeping our stop loss just below the lower wicks down in here for a possible push, not even up to highs, but up to some nearby resistance, which is about in that range, gives about a 3.1 risk and reward. So, meaning I'm risking about $1 essentially to make about $3.20, which is really, really good. So now this stock has just been rallying its way up, doing very, very well. So we're going to just keep our stop loss right around this area at about 73. So if it dips down below that, we're just going to cover a nice profit and move on to other opportunity. But this is a simple approach that you guys can do to start making $100 $200 a day. But if you're just getting started with swing trading, focus on learning. So check out our school, and more importantly, paper trade. Check out Mumu, where you guys can practice, right? Simulated trades, your entries, your exits, your risk management to help you with your position. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and take care.